Hey guys, Chris here. So 2 years ago, after I took delivery of my then brand new 2016 Volvo XC90, I made a video of me unboxing the keys of that car. And if you're new to the channel, in my previous video, I took delivery of my brand new 2018 Volvo XC90. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out up there in the right corner. So true to tradition, I'm going ahead and making the second key unboxing video on the total entirety of YouTube. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the keys of my 2018 Volvo XC90 T8 Inscription. So the outer box looks like this. It's a plain white outer box with Volvo actually imprinted here on the cardboard. You can't see it, but it's a 3D effect. When I run my fingers over it, I can feel it's like imprinted. So let's go ahead and get rid of the outer box. And on the inside of the outer box, we have this, a black rubberized box with also Volvo actually imprinted there, and it has like a glossy finish. You can see it's playing with the light there slightly when I move around the box. And yeah, as I said, a black rubberized finish. And if I go ahead and smell that, it actually smells like a brand new box of sneakers, or brand new sneakers. So a very nice smell going along with the keys of your brand new Volvo XC90 when you purchase one of these cars. So rotate the box, turn it around here. It's just a plain black box, but very classy, feels very sturdy and very solid. And as I said, that very nice, rubberized texture. So let's go ahead and flip this open and reveal the actual keys. There they are, totally very beautiful keys actually. And as you can see there in the bottom of the lid, we have also Volvo imprinted there with like a felt. Very nice, this felt here, very classy, very high quality. So let's go ahead and show you guys the keys. So this is the key. If the camera will focus, there we go. Focus, the keys are in focus. And as you can see here, the camera is covered in this beautiful Napa leather. And if you go for the inscription trim on a brand new Volvo, or if you go on an inscription trim on an XC90, XC60, S90 or V90, you'll get the key wrapped in the same Napa leather as the interior. So my car has the blonde interior, meaning I get the beautiful blonde leather keys. And why is the camera having problems focusing? Maybe let's turn down the white balance a bit. Yeah, I think that helped. So my car has the, as I said, the blonde Napa leather, meaning the key is covered in the same leather. If you go for like an R design, the key will be in black perforated leather, so that's leather with holes in it. And if you go for a momentum trim or lower, the key will just be in plastic. But so the key is actually wrapped in a leather on both sides. Very classy, very clean design. And here you have the Volvo logo in 3D. Just super classy. And on one side here you have, that's a panic button. So that will sound the hazards and the alarms. If you're like in a panic situation, go ahead and hit that button. If we flip around the key on the other side, you can see there you have lock, you have unlock, and then you have the trunk release. My car of course has the the power lift gate. So if you hold this key or this button in for like a second or two, it will open the lift gate. And unlike the first model years of the XC90, like my last XC90, my 2016 model, these are raised. So the buttons are much more pronounced. Before they were flush with the key, more like on this side, but they changed that like in 2017, I think, and making it much easier to feel actually what is going on. You can feel the key, so you can hit the key buttons without actually looking at the key. But of course, this car has, or the XC90 has, keyless entry and keyless go, so this actually just goes in your pocket. You don't use this much when you open, or when you lock the car, when you unlock the car, or when you start the car. And then here you just have a small hook for a key ring. And I think you can also, if you do this and slide this out, you can open it up, and here you reveal the actual the key to you can start the car, or you can also open the car if you're out of battery, if the key is like empty for battery. So you can also, I think you can also change these this section of the key, like the outer part of the key here. You can change that if you want a different color of leather, or you can also have a wood grain trim. Different options there at your dealer. So let's go ahead and see if we can, yeah. So closed up, just a very beautiful key, and one of the nicest keys on the market today. And there are actually two of them. Really beautiful, really classy, super high quality, because this is metal. This is actually not plastic. This might be plastic, but they are metal. And my last XC90 I had for 2 years, and the keys look like new, so they're very solid, not very prone to wear. I know 2 years isn't much, but you know, I almost drove that car in 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers in 2 years, and the keys did look like new. But you know, unlike other keys, you have to keep this clean in a different way, because, well, light colored leather will get dirty easily. So we're gonna place these keys right here next to the box, and if you see right there, you have something that looks like a USB stick, and this is actually what I call the bathing key. It's like an elongated piece of plastic, and you have a hook here. I think you can put a key ring or keychain through that. Just some lettering on the back of the key. What this is a waterproof key, or water resistant key. You can swim with this, so if you go to the beach and you don't want to bring this key, you put this in your pocket instead, and you can actually go swimming with it. But you can't, you know, there are no buttons to unlock or lock the car like you have on this. So this is purely keyless go and keyless entry. And to be honest, guys, I actually haven't tested this key. I didn't do it on my previous XC90, but I'm gonna make a video on me testing this key, because that's long overdue. But just really practical. So you have 3 keys with the XC90, and this key is very practical. I know Jaguar does something very similar, with something formed like a credit card that you can put in your wallet, but Volvo were actually first, or before Jaguar, in doing it. And there isn't any more in the box, so there, we're gonna pack this away. And guys, so that is the key unboxing of my 2018 Volvo XC90 T8 Inscription. Not a very serious video, more of a fun video. So guys, if you like this video, please be sure to drop me a thumbs up down below, and for more car content, as always guys, please subscribe. See you guys later, and goodbye.